Hi guys, my name is Tan Dilung, and today I'm gonna brief about how to use YouTube. Firstly, we need to know what is YouTube. YouTube is a free to use service and a great space for teens to discover things they like. For many young people, YouTube is used to watch music videos, comedy shows, how-to guides, hacks, and more. Teens also use the video sharing service to follow their favorite vloggers, subscribe to other YouTubers and celebrities they are interested in. Next, as you can see, this is a YouTube interface. You can search the video that you want to watch or channel at the search bar. You can click the sign in button to create your own account and log in to unlock more usage, such as subscribe the channel you like. At the below are recommended videos. These recommended videos will show followed by your recent watch videos or channels you subscribe. After you search the video, it will display the related video at below. After you log into YouTube, you can add the video to queue or create a playlist to save the video. If you add the video to queue, then the video will play after the current video you are watching is finished. Next. This is the look after you click to play a video. You can press I on your keyboard to back to home page of YouTube without closing the video. The video will minimize at the right button. If you are interested to this channel, you can click the subscribe button. Then YouTube will constantly recommend this channel's video to you. You can click like or unlike as a feedback to this video. You can also share video with others that you are interested. Next, after you subscribe the channel, you can click the bell button to choose you want to receive the notification when the channel uploads a new video or not. Next, you can leave your comment to interact with video author or other viewers. You can click the like or dislike button for a comment that you like or you don't like. Next, you also can join the channel to become membership of the channel. The channel will provide exclusive video for members. You can also run your own channel and upload interesting videos, and YouTube also a platform for live streaming. Next, this is a YouTube mobile application. The difference between the mobile version of YouTube and the web version is the mobile version of YouTube allows users to download videos on the phone. After you download, you can play that video in offline mode. Next, YouTube Mobile allows you to link to your smart TV by just clicking the link button. Then you are able to watch video on your TV. After you subscribe the YouTube Premium, you can enjoy ads-free downloads, background pay in YouTube application and YouTube Music apps. Plus, access all YouTube originals. YouTube Kids give your family an easy way to watch their favorite shows or explore anything that captures their imagination. It's free, simple to use, and full of family-friendly videos. YouTube Kids automatically filters some violence or pornography content, making it ideal for parents to schedule for their children. Next, YouTube Music is a platform for hearing music. It's also free to use. Music videos on YouTube are also synced to YouTube Music. YouTube Music will recommend local hits to you. YouTube Music also provides you to add the song to your playlist that is same with YouTube. You can find songs from previous add to the playlist in the library. As the same with YouTube. YouTube Music allows you to download the songs and play it in offline mode. YouTube Music also automatically downloads some of the most recent songs you've listened to, making it easy to listen when you don't have an internet connection. But this feature requires you to turn it on manually. So that's all for me. Thank you.